Hey everybody, this is Joe from Bad News Racing, and welcome to episode 3 of the build series Sonic. So last episode we realized that we had a bad PCV, so we changed out the valve cover to fix the diaphragm on it that was blowing like crazy, and we ordered a PCV fix kit which should be here very soon, and we're going to throw that in there. But then we realized that we had a pretty bad coolant leak. So in this episode, we're going to go ahead and change the water pump and a few other goodies that go bad because they're plastic. All right, now you're going to see me on the floor. The water pump took a so we're going to change that. So first things first, we got to drop the coolant. Be sure to like and subscribe, push the notifications so you can get all our other videos and whatnots when we post them. So let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna go ahead and roll up under that guy right there. We're gonna loosen him and drop it all into our little bucket. Let's do that. All right, there we go. We got a leaker. Ugh, drinking it, fucking drinking it. There we go. All right, drop the coolant. Now we're gonna remove our intake. Next up, we put a jack on the corner of the oil pan right there, just to kind of support it so we can remove the engine mount, which is this guy right here. I'm gonna take a 15 millimeter socket, and we're going to loosen those two nuts and that bolt. At the same time, we're going to be changing these Haggard coolant lines. So I'm just going to go ahead and get this up out of the way so I can get into this space a little better. Just like that. Come over here. Pull that guy off right there. Might spill a little bit. Let's just go ahead and pull this all out. Goodbye, homie. All right, now before we go to remove those, let's just pump the jack a little bit until we see the engine moving up. You'll be able to see it right there. Nice. Now let's move these. Remove the motor mount. All right, so I removed the motor mount. Now we have 3 more 15 millimeter bolts. You got one right here, one right here, and one right down at the bottom. So let's go ahead and take those off. Once you pull those bolts out, it all just slides right on out. So let's go ahead and drop that by accident. Little breaker bar special. So I remove that. All right, so let's just go ahead and remove this because we got a new belt. You're gonna want to make sure that you pay attention to the routing of it. I'm gonna go grab the new water pump, and for every bolt we take out, we're gonna drop it into the new one, so everything is the same. Ah, dude, none of it got in the pan. Once you remove your water pump, it'll just dump whatever coolant is in there. Make sure you have something underneath to catch it, or get ready to clean it up later once you're done. All right, so I didn't realize that the stupid camera was not recording. So, whatever the case, Brand new water pump is in. Brand new tensioner is in. So we're golden. We're good to go. Good to go. All right. So now, since we're already here, we took out the old motor mount. And I'd like to give a shout out to Josh over at OTTP. He hooked us up with this real nice billet motor mount, and we're going to throw this on. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and put it all together. All right. So we're gonna go ahead and put that in place. Lower the motor just a little bit. Nice, it's on. Looks good too. Let's go ahead and put that hose through there. Onto that clamp right there. Go ahead and hook that up. Right there. Hell yeah. Yeah, let's get that bad boy off. Goodbye. Check out the old one. Look at that. Look at that. Let's go ahead and look at, this is the one that comes in the car. It's plastic for whatever reason. And here we go. We're going to put a nice aluminum one in there because these are notorious for going bad. So we're just going to go ahead and get ahead of it. Go ahead and slap this little guy up in there. Let's do it. All right. That's gonna go right back. There. There we go. All right, it's done. We got new motor mount, new water pump, new outlet, new tensioner, new freaking belt. And we freaking changed out all the coolant hoses. So we still haven't gotten the PCV fix yet in the mail. We're still waiting. So once we get that, we're gonna throw that in. So next episode, we're gonna do that. Peace.